Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more presets I'm giving away. They'll be in the description below. I'm going to demonstrate these. I'll try to make it as fast as possible, but they can be a little confusing if I don't explain them enough. After you download them, it'll come in Effects. I go to SDS Effects folder. I go down to SDS Try Viewers. We're going to use the same three for all three of these clips. This is the background. I'll grab the same one, middle clip, and select top right. Now drop it on the bottom one. Make sure you select the clip, and then select the bottom right. These are pretty much mostly the same, but there is a few that are different. The setup on these, where there's three, are all the same. This one, you drop the first one on the top clip, you drop it again, the same one on the bottom clip, and then just hit bottom right. If you want to flip them, that just puts the bottom one over the top, rather than the top over the bottom. This one, you only need one. You have all your controls on all these. They're all self-explanatory. I really don't have to go over them. You can align your video within the screen. That one pops out. Go back down. Depending on how many there are, like here there's two, so you just drop the same one on both and select your bottom clip. By default, it's on left, switch it to right. I'm letting them all play through. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.